Hi, I'm Luca from Echidna Sewing, and today we're looking at the Brother Free Motion Darning Foot, available on most Brother machines. The Free Motion Darning Foot is used for free motion quilting, thread painting, repairing torn areas, and sewing monograms. You can move the foot in any direction you like and is perfect for stitching layers like a quilt sandwich. To attach this foot, you will need to remove the shank. Do this by unscrewing the shank on the left side of the presser foot. Position the free motion darning foot in the same location as the shank and tighten the screw to secure it in place. Then select a straight stitch with the needle in the center position. Before sewing, drop your feed dogs on your machine. Depending on your machine, there will be a switch at the back of your free arm or a setting in the menu. Some machines don't have the option to drop your feed dogs. In this case, use the feed cover plate that comes with your machine. For a neater finish, bring your bobbin thread to the top of the fabric before stitching. And that's how you use your free motion darning foot.